Now that we're coming towards the end of winter and spring is approaching, as the countryside rangers for Truro City Council, one way that we'd love for the community to become more involved in how we manage the woodlands is by taking part in Truro's Green Survey. The way people can do this is by recording any wildlife sightings that you might see when you're out and about in our green spaces. If you could please email them to me at chris@truro.gov.uk or send them over to the Facebook groups Friends of Coosebean, Friends of Daubuz Moor, Glasteinan Woodland or Truro's Green Community, and if you could record what you've seen, where you've seen it and the date. Now the things that we'd like you to record are split into categories. These categories are bird life, mammals, invertebrates including insects, spiders, creepy crawlies, plant life including wildflowers, and also tree species. The green spaces that we're particularly interested in are Coosebean Woodland, including the Northern Meadows, the Enchanted Trail, the Riverside Walk by the River Kenwyn, the cycle track, and all the green spaces over there that the City Council manage, the Glasteinan Woodland with Beechwood Park, and also Daubuz Moor, which has a lovely circular walk around the River Allen. We've got great community input so far over the last few years, and a lot of the members of the different Friends of groups and the public have made a huge impact in our green spaces, and we look forward to hearing from you within this study.
This is an example that it's worth it. So really, this is by the people and for the people. And that is the main thing. That's what we're trying to do. Give this place an ownership. So people can look at it and say, I like this, it's our woods. And because it's our woods, they'll learn to conserve it, hopefully. And when I'm not here, people will still carry on the tradition of making fairy doors, which is great.
Hi, I'm John. I'm one of the volunteers down here at Daubuz Moor on the committee, and we're here today to talk about the ecological surveying of the area, hopefully to record some of the wild animals that you may find in Daubuz Moor. Down here especially the mammalians, so we're talking about the voles, the rabbit, the bats, the badgers, just any sort of mammals, human beings, but also invertebrates, as it's a very beautiful haven for insect life and invertebrate life here, especially in the summer with the dragonflies, the solitary bees, the feral children. It's absolutely brilliant, and yeah, so get out, come into Daubuz Moor, this absolutely amazing area, and help us record all the wildlife that you see. And it's quite simple. You just have to email Chris, the wildlife ranger, and he'll note it on our files, and then at the end of it we can do a nice ecological report. So thank you.
So we would love for you to help us with our Truro's Green Survey, and you can do that by recording your sightings at the areas you've seen them and what the date was, and emailing them to me at chris@truro.gov.uk, or alternatively on the Facebook groups Friends of Daubuz Moor, Friends of Coosebean, the Glasteinan Woodland and Truro's Green Community.